Every Lexus is engineered for peak performance and comfort, but to keep it running like the day you fell in love with it, regular maintenance is key. Reaching 5,000 and 10,000 miles is more than a milestone. It's a call to action. Regular checkups at these intervals are essential to ensure your Lexus performs at its best. Lexus is so passionate about this that they are provided complimentary service and have expiration dates ensuring the customer has them performed within 6 months and 12 months from date of purchase. At 5,000 miles, it's time for your Lexus First Health Check. This includes tire rotation for even wear and multi-point inspections for your peace of mind. Double the distance, double the care. At 10,000 miles, your Lexus will receive its first oil change, along with another tire rotation and multi-point inspections. Don't wait for the signs of wear and tear. Book your 5K or 10K maintenance with Earnhardt Lexus today and ensure your journey is as flawless as your first drive.
Visit us online or give us a call. Drive confidently knowing your Lexus is in the best hands. Earnhardt Lexus, where luxury meets longevity.